What if I told you you do not need perfect grammar to speak English fast?
That sounds dangerous, Iffy.
No, seriously. Many students spend years studying grammar, but they still freeze when they try to speak.
That is so true. They know the rules, but they cannot have a simple conversation at a coffee shop.
Exactly. But today, we are sharing a secret.
A big secret.
The secret to speaking English faster and more naturally using simple speaking formulas.
And the best part?
You can start using them today.
No complicated grammar books.
No stress.
No fear.
Just simple patterns that native speakers use every day. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Made Easy, the place where English feels easy, natural, and fun.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Iffy. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is honestly one of my favorites.
Same, because this topic can change someone's English very fast.
Absolutely. Many students think fast English means speaking complicated English.
But actually, fast English is simple English.
Wow, that is powerful.
It really is. Native speakers often use short patterns again and again.
Yes, tiny formulas.
So today we are sharing 10 simple formulas that can help you sound more natural immediately.
And listeners, do not worry.
Everything today will be super easy and beginner-friendly.
We will explain everything naturally through stories and real-life situations.
Okay, Tom, are you ready for formula number 1?
I was born ready.
Formula number 1 is, I'm gonna.
Ah, yes. One of the most common expressions in spoken English.
Native speakers say gonna all the time.
Instead of saying, I am going to.
Exactly. For example, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna study later.
It sounds smooth and relaxed.
I remember when I first heard this expression.
Oh, really?
Yes, I was watching a movie and the actor said, I'm gonna be okay.
And you were confused?
Completely confused.
That happens to many learners.
But when I started using gonna, my English suddenly sounded more natural.
Wow, that already sounds fluent.
It really does.
Okay, Iffy, what is formula number 2?
Formula number 2 is, I wanna.
Perfect. Same here. Spoken English is different from textbook English.
Exactly. And listeners, try saying it with us.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna learn.
I'm gonna improve.
Another superstar expression.
Yes, instead of saying I want to.
Native speakers usually say wanna.
For example, I want to sleep, I want to travel, I want to speak English confidently.
That last one is important.
Very important.
You know, when people speak too carefully, they sound nervous.
That's true.
But contractions like wanna and gonna make your speech flow naturally.
Exactly. English is music.
Wow, I like that.
Really, fluent speakers connect words together.
Okay, listeners, small challenge.
Ooh, I love challenges.
Pause this video and say 3 sentences with I wanna.
Yes, practice out loud.
Speaking is like exercise.
Your mouth needs training too.
Very true.
And guys, if you are enjoying this episode so far, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to Daily English Made Easy.
And comment the word fast below if you are still listening.
We love reading your comments.
We really do.
Okay, Tom, formula number 3.
Let's do it.
I feel like.
Oh, this one is amazing.
Native speakers use this constantly.
It is perfect for talking naturally about emotions and thoughts.
I feel like sleeping. I feel like eating pizza. I feel like quitting my job.
Oh no, bad day?
Very bad day.
Laughter. I use this expression almost every day.
Me too.
Yesterday I looked outside and saw heavy rain.
Oh no.
And immediately I said, I feel like staying in bed today.
Honestly, same.
See? That sounds natural already.
And listeners, notice something important. These formulas are short.
Exactly.
Fast English is not about difficult vocabulary.
It is about easy patterns repeated many times.
Yes.
That is why children learn languages quickly.
Wow, good point.
They repeat simple structures every day.
No fear. No pressure.
Just communication.
Formula number 4 is one of my favorites.
Tell us.
You know what?
Ah, conversation magic.
Exactly. Native speakers use this to sound more conversational.
Example, you know what? I'm tired. You know what? I think you're right.
You know what? Let's order dessert.
Best idea ever.
You know what?
What?
I feel like eating cake right now.
Seriously? We just started recording.
English learning makes me hungry.
That is the funniest excuse I have ever heard.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Formula number 5 is very powerful for beginners.
Okay, I'm listening.
The thing is,
Oh, yes.
this phrase gives you time to think while speaking.
And it sounds very fluent.
Example, the thing is, I'm shy. The thing is, I don't have enough time.
Native speakers use fillers like this constantly.
Exactly. Fluency is not speaking perfectly.
It is speaking comfortably.
Wow, that is important.
Many students panic during silence,
Yes, they think silence means failure.
but native speakers pause all the time.
So true.
Sometimes I even forget simple words in my own language.
Same. Yesterday I forgot the word spoon.
No way.
I looked at it and said, the soup tool.
Laughter. The soup tool?
My brain stopped working.
That is amazing.
But honestly, that is okay.
Exactly. Communication matters more than perfection.
Guys, remember that sentence.
Yes. Write it down.
Communication matters more than perfection.
Beautiful.
Okay, formula number 6. Guys, remember that sentence.
Yes. Let's hear it.
It depends.
Ah, short, easy, powerful.
Native speakers love this expression.
Example. Do you like coffee?
It depends.
Do you wake up early?
It depends.
It is such a natural answer.
Yes, instead of giving long explanations.
Simple English sounds more confident.
That is something learners forget.
Absolutely.
Sometimes students try to sound smart.
And then they become too nervous to speak.
Exactly. Short sentences are powerful.
Very powerful.
Okay, formula number 7?
By the way,
Oh, yes.
this expression helps you change the topic naturally. By the way, how is your sister? By the way, I watched your video.
It makes conversation smoother.
Native speakers connect ideas naturally.
Exactly. English is flow.
You really love saying that today.
Because it is true.
Fair enough.
By the way, listeners, where are you watching from today?
Oh, good question.
Tell us in the comments. We love seeing students from around the world.
It honestly makes us so happy.
It really does.
Okay, formula number 8 is very emotional.
Uh-oh, emotional English. I used to...
This one is fantastic for storytelling.
Example, I used to be shy. I used to hate English. I used to watch cartoons every day.
Wow, that last one is still true for me.
Laughter. Tom,
What? Cartoons are amazing.
honestly, I agree.
Thank you.
I used to helps you talk about the past naturally.
And stories create connection.
Exactly. People remember emotions more than grammar rules.
Wow.
I used to feel terrified speaking English.
Really?
Yes, my heart would beat so fast.
That is very normal.
I was afraid people would laugh at me.
Many listeners probably feel the same way.
But then one day, I stopped trying to sound perfect.
And what happened?
I started speaking more.
That is the secret.
Confidence grows through action.
Not through endless studying.
Exactly.
Listeners, please hear this carefully.
Your English does not need to be perfect to be beautiful.
Wow, beautifully said.
Thank you.
Okay, formula number 9.
You know,
Ah, yes, the classic natural filler.
native speakers say this constantly.
Example, I was tired. Life is difficult sometimes.
It gives your brain time to think.
And it sounds conversational.
Exactly.
Many learners think fluent speakers never pause.
But actually, they use fillers naturally.
Like, well, honestly,
These tiny words create rhythm.
That is why listening practice is so important. You learn patterns, not just vocabulary.
Exactly.
Okay, listeners, quick challenge.
Another one?
Of course,
All right, let's do it.
use in one sentence today.
Even if you talk to your mirror,
Practice matters.
tiny practice every day creates huge improvement later.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Formula number 10.
The final formula.
Drum roll, please.
At the end of the day,
Native speakers love this expression.
it means finally or when everything is finished.
Right, like at the end of the day, we had fun. At the end of the day, family matters most.
This phrase sounds very fluent and thoughtful. It really does.
At the end of the day, practice is the key.
And honestly, Tom,
Hmm?
at the end of the day, English is about connection,
Wow.
not perfection.
That is such an important message.
People are too hard on themselves.
Absolutely.
They think, my grammar is bad, My accent is bad. Guys, if this episode helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Daily English Made Easy.
And comment your favorite formula below.
Mine is, I feel like life.
Mine is definitely, at the end of the day, Vin.
Very wise choice, Tom.
Thank you very much.
We are so proud of all of you for learning English with us.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
Keep speaking.
And most importantly,
Don't give up.
thank you so much for listening. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep learning.